Hello and welcome back to my channel. So you're gonna have to excuse my oversized sleeves. I have an Udi and let me just say these things are absolutely comfortable. I recently partnered up with them, so I do have a coupon code and I will link it down in the description for $35 off of your first Udi. Little galaxy stuff. This is like an oversized like hoodie blanket. It's so comfortable. I've been sleeping in mine. But I'm gonna go ahead and do my cash stuffing. Today we're gonna be cash stuffing $113. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in this tray. So for this week, Lou had $1,333.82. I brought in nothing. We rolled over $60. That left us with $1,393.82. I've already done my bill pays for this week. We paid $14.99 to Amazon Prime, for $2.42 to Fios. I did not have a due amount for my security system, but that's still in the account for the time being. Our car insurance is $132, and my husband ordered contacts for $100. Our envelopes are going to stay the same for this week, as they always do. Here are our Seeking funds, credit card, student loan, and of course, $230 to our mortgage. Alright, as always, we are going to start with our wallet. I have nothing going into mine. For gas, I did put the gas last week into my credit card, so this will now be full again with another $20. And I've been using this $20 whenever I don't spend it to roll over into my car fund, so I can pay the things I need to pay with that. Vape is getting $40. Let's see how much we have here. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Oh sweet, so I'm gonna be able to put $40 to something else. So there is 100 in vape. How much do I have in car maintenance? And guys, I am doing horrible about updating my little sheets, so please bear with me. So 50, 70, 90, 110, 111, 112, 113. I am gonna just go ahead and put this in here because I've got to pay our auto stuff. So now we have 50, 70, here, let me do it this way. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 150, 151, 152, 153. So now I can pay for my tags and registration here. So we're gonna just sit that back on in there. That's gonna be it for my wallet. For home, home maintenance is getting $5. So we're at 2, 4, 6, 7, 75, 80, 81, 82. $82 in home maintenance. Nothing goes into medical. Yard work is going to get $33. We got a 20, a 10, and 3 ones. So 20, 30, 31, 32, 33. I'm trying to get it where I put $33 in this every single week, so we don't have to stress about that. And that is going to be all in here. household birthdays. And my birthday, we are going to be putting $10. So now we're at 10, 20, 25, and 30. So I'm halfway there. I don't think we're going to fully fill this up to 60, but that's okay. Nothing goes into family birthdays. Nothing goes into gifts. 4th of July gets $5. And that puts us at $10. Now this is just for like hamburgers, hot dogs, ice, because I go to my mom's every year for 4th of July and we have a cookout and a pool party, so got $10 in here for 4th of July to kind of cover up any of those costs that needs to be paid for. So that is done. And that's going to be it for my cash stuffing, guys. Thank y'all so much for always watching these videos, being part of my community. I really do appreciate y'all. I do see every single body who does try their best to watch my videos, and thank you very much. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you enjoy this type of content, make sure that you hit that sub button and give me a like if you want to. I will put all of the information down in the description for an Oodie. Definitely check them out. They're really, really comfortable. But I will see you next Saturday. Bye guys!